Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and watching EncycloHub. In this video, we are discussing question number 1B, which is define the external quantum efficiency. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of solution related to the studies. If you need answers of any question, so if you have any PDF related to the queries, so you can just send the PDF on our WhatsApp, and we provide all type of solution in a day. Thank you so much. And here, this is the question number 1B is define the external quantum efficiency of an LED. Calculate its value for a semiconductor material with refractive index n2 equal to 3.6, assuming the refractive index of the air equal to 1. So this is the question, and if you need all the answers of this PDF, so just come on our WhatsApp and drop a message. Thank you so much, and we will meet you soon in the next video.